Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to edit image. So for example, I will insert image into the Coreldraw, and if you want to edit the image, you can select the image and you can resize by clicking at these points to resize the image. Or another option, you can go to the properties and you can choose this option effects to set for the bitmap effect. Click on preset and then you can choose your effects, like we can use the high contrast. So we show high contrast and you can settings at this point for the high contrast. Or another option, you can go to the effect. Like in here we have a lot of options, like you can blur the image by using these blur tools. You can just like for the Gaussian blur, so to be blur the objects, and you can set for the radius here, blur radius for your image. And if you want to erase this blur effect, you can select and then you can click these icons to delete the effect. So we can add again another effect. You can click the effect like we set for the correction here, the scratch, and will be show for the option in here for the scratch. You can set in here for the radius like this, or you can set for the threshold. So that's it for the basic CorelDRAW tutorial how to edit image.